Did you know when you're putting on makeup, you're putting chemicals on your skin? Hey, Katie here from Simply Earth, here to share with you a natural eyeshadow recipe. Today we're going to be making 4 different shades using natural colorants, melted coconut oil, which is really good for your skin, arrowroot powder, which helps lighten up the color and also helps it bind to your eyelids. And you'll also need eye makeup containers, small bowl to mix things in, and labels. To start, I'm going to add a ½ teaspoon of arrowroot powder. To make my pale pink color, I'm going to add a ½ teaspoon of beetroot powder and 1/8 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Once it's well combined, I'm going to add a ¼ teaspoon of coconut oil. Once it's reached a consistency, I'm going to press it into my eyeshadow container. Now that it's in my container, I'm going to let the coconut oil set for a little bit, and then it'll be ready to use. Next up, I'm going to make a mauve color. For this color, I'm going to use 3/4 teaspoon of allspice, 3/4 teaspoon of beetroot powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Then I'm going to stir to combine. Once it's mixed, I'm going to add a ¼ teaspoon of coconut oil. Once that has reached an even consistency and the coconut oil is well distributed, I am going to press it into my eyeshadow container. To make a light brown, you can add 3/4 teaspoon of cocoa powder with your arrowroot. Once it's mixed, add your coconut oil, and then you'll have a really pretty light brown. For a golden brown color, add 3/4 teaspoons of nutmeg and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Everything you need to make this recipe, including 4 full-size essential oils, labels, and more, can be found in our February Simply Earth recipe box. Subscribe today to make your home more natural and have a more natural, beautiful look.